Hi everyone, myself Anila from Jaiswal Nursing College, Kota. Today I am going to tell you about the uterus, the important parts, the important things about uterus. Uterus which comes under the female reproductive system. Female reproductive system, further we talk about, it is divided into two. Internal genital organ and external genital organ. In uterus which comes under internal genital organ. Talking about the introduction, it is a muscular organ, hollow muscular organ. Hollow muscular organ means it has its cavity inside. There is space, it is hollow, it is empty inside. That is hollow muscular organ. Next, where it lies? It lies in the pelvic cavity between the urinary bladder and rectum. Now talking about the parts of uterus is divided into three main parts: the body, isthmus and cervix. Further, if we divide body is divided into two: the body cavity and the fundus. Fundus which lies above the uterine tubes. From here the fallopian tubes comes, the ovary is there. Now from here, above the uterine tubes, here it is the fundus, below it is the body cavity, below the body cavity and between the cervix is isthmus, and below isthmus is the cervix, and from below cervix is the vagina. Cervix has two openings: internal OS which comes below the isthmus and the external OS which comes below the cervix. This is the parts of the uterus in general. Now if we are talking about the shape of the uterus, starting at the normal state, in female reproductive system, the normal state of the shape of the uterus is pyriform or pear shaped. Pyriform or pear shaped matlab nashpati type, nashpati shape. Now if we talk about the size of the uterus in normal state, it is 8 cm long, 5 cm in width and 1.2 cm in its thickness. But if we talk about the pregnant state, the size will become double the normal state. It is the pear form shaped here, and from pregnant state it becomes a globular, like a ball, football ball. It is a globular shape. The size varies, the size get differentiated. That is 20 cm long, 12 cm in width and 1.2 cm and from 1.2 cm thickness it becomes 7.5 cm in thickness. Now talking about the weight of the uterus. Weight of the uterus from 40 to 50 gram in normal state, it comes to 1000 grams in pregnant state. It is the nulliparous state when female is not pregnant. It is the pregnant state when female is pregnant. Now talking about the position. Position is, the uterus position is anteversion and anteflex. Anteversion and anteflex means the position is like this, where here is the vagina, it is the uterus, where anteversion means the first ankle form, the first leaning, जो नीचे की तरफ जो बेंटिंग आ रही है यूट्रस की, जो नीचे की तरफ जो बेंटिंग आ रही है वजाइना की तरफ, जो फर्स्ट एंगल जो फॉर्म हो रहा है किसके बीच में, जो वजाइनल कैविटी है और जो जो सर्विक्स है, सर्विक्स कैनाल की जो है उसकी जो फर्स्ट एंट्री जो हो रही है वहाँ पर जो एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है, दैट इज द एंटीवर्जन. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंटीफ्लेक्शन. एंटीफ्लेक्शन क्या होगा, जो वजाइना है, वजाइना की ओपनिंग और किसकी कैविटी और किसका, जो यूट्रस की बॉडी ऑफ द यूट्रस का जो एंकल फॉर्म होगा, दैट इज एंटीफ्लेक्शन. एंटीफ्लेक्शन एंड एंटीवर्जन. एंटीवर्जन इज द लीनिंग फॉरवर्ड ऑफ द सर्विक्स टुवर्ड्स द वजाइना एंड द एंटीफ्लेक्शन इज द लीनिंग फॉरवर्ड ऑफ द uterus, body of the uterus to the vagina. That is the position, anteversion and anteflexed. Now talking about the structure. If we talk about the structure, you know every muscular organ is divided into three things, that is the perimetrium, endometrium and myometrium. This is the normal thing. So here also the uterus is further divided into parametrium, myometrium and endometrium. Parametrium is made up of serous coat. Next, more about the myometrium. Myometrium is smooth muscles which is connected or held by the connective tissues. And next is endometrium. Endometrium is the mucus lining. If we talk about the myometrium, myometrium is further divided. When in pregnant state, it goes further divisions. That is the longitudinal circular muscle. It forms the longitudinal circular muscles. Endometrium becomes decidua. In pregnant state, the endometrium is called as decidua, where the fetus, the fertilized ovum gets a site implementation, site and environment for the implementation. Thank you.